Hello everybody, welcome back to the most inconsistent channel on YouTube, where we upload once in 3 months and it's okay. Today I'm trying something new. I will be trying night photography. I've been really into photography. I just really like it. I've never been able to take decent photos, if you will. So I'm gonna try to do some night photography. I don't know why I'm getting into like this hard thing, but I found this. I'm at a Costco right now and it has good lighting, so I'm gonna try and get some nice shots. Alright, you can see me, so that is pretty good lighting up here and everywhere else. We have the car set up here and I have no idea what I'm doing. So we're gonna try to get some nice photos of this car and I'll explain where this car came from in like the end of the video. When I say I don't know anything about photography, I know, like, I don't shoot in manual when I'm shooting a video. Like, I know exposure, aperture, I know what those are. I guess you just need to like play around with the settings. I took some pictures. I think they look okay. I don't know. You'll help me decide. I'll put them on the screen or something, or they'll go by as I take them. But like, I feel like I need to change the angle of the car, and like where the light hits the car is really important. That's what I'm just assuming. So I'm gonna change it around like to this side and try to put it in like between these two lights. I feel like that'll have a good effect.
Later.
Yo, I suck at photography. I just realized I suck. Respect to everyone who can do it. I'll figure it out, I'm sure, but whew, that's hard. Anyway, I think I'm halfway decent at making videos, so here's a quick video. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it. That is the end of this short little video that I tried night photography. If you have any tips and tricks for me, I would appreciate it if you let me know in the comments of how I can improve my night photography. This car, oh yeah, I was gonna talk about this car. This is 2010 Mini Cooper S. It is my daily driver for the winter, I think, and I'm hoping that it'll be gone soon. I mean, it's a nice car, but I think it's gonna be gone soon. Anyways, that's it. I don't know why I kept you waiting for the end of the video to tell you what this car is. It's just a Mini for the winter. Anyways, thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.